beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a 1-day belly fat challenge. Now hold on, get me correctly. I am not saying when you drink this just for 1 day, all of your belly fat is gonna be like boof. There is no magic here, there is no miracle here, there is no chemical in this. But of course, from the very first day you start using this and you obey all of the things that I'm going to be telling you in this video, you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvement, a whole lot of difference when you wake up the next day. Okay, so let's dive into this video and see this wonderful remedy for belly fat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and also thumbs up. And alright, so our 1 day belly fat challenge, we're going to be needing to use lemon and cucumber. And in this belly fat challenge, guys, you're going to be doing it in the morning, afternoon, and also in the evening. Alright, so this is going to be for morning hours. Sorry, green tea and lemon, not cucumber. Yeah, green tea and lemon. So what you're going to do is to first of all get a cup, and then you take in 1 bag of green tea. Then you're gonna be needing hot water to induce this tea. Okay, so you're gonna pour in your hot water into this. And then you're gonna allow it to sit so that the green tea can induce into the water, just like it's doing right now. Okay, and when it does, the water is going to change. So after 5 minutes of waiting, then you then have to cut in the lemon. Alright guys, so now we would have to be cutting the lemon into this. So you can actually put in 1 full cut of lemon. So you're going to squeeze it just right into this. And then here it is. Okay, alright guys, so here is your morning tea for your 1 day challenge belly fat or stomach fat reduction remedy. You're going to be needing cucumber and as well as sweet melon. Now these 2 remedy would ingredients or fruit would help you so much to keep you full throughout the whole afternoon. Okay, this helps to retain water into your system, and this helps to retain water into your system. They both have enough water to keep you full, keep you hydrated, and keep you really fresh. So what you're going to do is to wash it. You're also going to be washing the sweet melon. and here you go. So we're going to be cutting just a little piece of the cucumber and also a little piece of the sweet melon. Alright, now we would have to cut this in cubes. So we're going to be transferring this into a blender. And we're going to blend it without water, okay? So here is the blended melons, cucumber and sweet melon, and we're going to turn that into this cup. Alright guys, so I actually changed the cup so you guys can see so you guys can see it through this transparent cup. So this is going to be your afternoon smoothie, and this is actually going to fill your stomach. Now if you don't want to blend it, you can actually just eat it or chew it like that. And here is your evening tea that you're going to take, and it's going to help you to remove all of the belly fat, okay? So how you're going to do that is that you also be needing warm water. Now anytime you, apart from the smoothie, you'll be needing warm water in this. So I'm actually going to be turning in warm water into this cup. Now not too hot, just warm water. Alright guys, so you're gonna shake the apple cider vinegar, and then you're gonna take half tablespoon of it, just like this, and you're gonna put it inside this water. And then you're going to be cutting in the lemon. Now for this you'll be using half cut of lemon. So you're going to squeeze in your lemon into this. After you do that, then you're going to spare. Now this is going to be your detox tea for the evening, okay? You're going to leave it for it to cool down, and then you're going to drink it. Alright, so let me show you how it is. Now this is for the morning, this is for the afternoon, and this is for the evening. Okay, so this 3 tea is going to help you to lose weight, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, now this is actually going to make you're not going to feel hungry until, let's say, 1 o'clock, and then you're going to take this smoothie with all of the fiber, and then you can eat something really light apart from carbohydrates and sugary stuff. Then in the evening, after your dinner, you would have to, now you must not take an heavy dinner, you would have to take this. Okay, now you do this for 1 week. The very first day you start using this, you're going to see the improvements. The difference is going to be so clear. Okay, with good dieting and also with keeping to it for 1 week. So try this out and let me know, because it's going to be really nice. Now I will have to test each of this and tell you how it does taste. Now for the morning, green tea and lemon. So guys, this is a little bit slappy. It's not sweet, but of course if you want to sweeten the taste, you can put honey. Okay, but it is ideal you drink it this way, because this way is going to help you to really burn down those fat cells. Yeah, and this one, okay, this will serve as an afternoon lunch, because all of the fiber are inside and it tastes really good. If you just a little bit of the taste, the two combined together, it tastes really nice. And the apple cider and also the lemon. Okay, so this actually tastes a little slappy, but it is really great. Now it is not sweet at all. This one is, the taste of this is even better off than this, because apple cider vinegar naturally tastes awful, but just half tablespoon of it would make it really work. So you don't need to take too much of it, but these 3 ingredients would help you, or these 3 tea would help you for 1 week to remove that stubborn belly fat. Drinking this in the morning, afternoon and evening is just going to help you. Now I am not saying that you're not going to eat in between. You are to eat in between, but of course you should avoid some fatty food, some sweet food, and avoid too much of soda. I'm not saying don't take soda, okay, but avoid too much of soda, and this is actually going to work for you. When you try this at most 1 week or 2, you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements. All right, and that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys, and